preliminary plat with Vilo AR LLC. Chairman White began by stating the preliminary site plan had not been submitted properly. Without the proper documentation, no decision, action, or requirements could be made by the Vilonia Planning Commission at this meeting. John Cirillo and Jim Garland both spoke, representing Vilo AR LLC. They stated they expect an acoustical engineer's report from the Bono site within approximately 30 days. Their goal is to have the decibel level at the boundary of the property down to 55 decibels. They also noted that the Bono site contains 21 pods or units, which is more than the proposed at the Vilonia site. Ryan Sims noted the specific criteria for setback lines and for submitting the preliminary site plan, including the need for an engineered set of site plans. Also stated that any acoustical engineer report would need to be specifically for the Vilonia site. Jonathan Hiram asked if there were any other options for cooling, and Mr. Cirillo replied that there is not. Mr. Sims asked if the Bono site is fully operational now, and Mr. Cirillo confirmed that it is. Mr. White noted that the power usage for this site is estimated at 10 megawatts and asked if that may require adding or upgrading the substation. He stated that there is a concern that there may be not enough power available for future developments or customers. Mr. White asked Mr. Garland to quantify the benefit to the city. Mr. Garland's answer was approximately, he stated approximately $165,000 a year in franchise tax to the city of Vilonia, approximately $71,000 in city sales tax, and approximately $50,000 a year in county sales tax.
Which will be lost
The
by the
site
value
will
of
not be
homes.
exempt from sales tax. Mr. Cirillo referred to the legislative bill passed in the Arkansas legislature, Act 851, which was signed in April of 2023 and slated to go into effect 90 days from signing. Mr. White asked if the broadband usage of this site could be quantified. Mr. Cirillo said he would work on that and that he estimated it to be less than a typical household usage. Mr. White noted that there would be 5 transformers on the site. Mr. Pyron asked, Mr. Pyron expressed concern about future noise concerns if the noise level changes. Mr. Garland noted that the Morrilton site has the same type of boxes in operation but is owned by a different company. Mrs. Williams asked Mr. Cirillo to clarify the process involving the algorithms and blockchain technology and asked if it would be possible to lower the decibel level outside the property even further, such as to that of a whisper. Mr. Walker asked, would it be possible to decrease the sound level at certain times of the day, and noted that the question of what protects residents going forward should be addressed. Mr. Sims then made a motion to table this item until the next regularly scheduled meeting of the Planning Commission. Mr. Coker seconded the motion, and the motion carried unanimously, with none opposing and none abstaining. There were no general announcements to be made. Ms. Branson made a motion to adjourn the meeting. The motion was seconded by Mr. Bean. The motion carried, and the meeting was adjourned. Those are the minutes from the May 25th meeting. I would entertain a motion for approval unless there's any comment. Mr. Bean has a motion to approve. Is there a second?
I'll second.
Mr. Sims has a second. Any other discussion, corrections? If not, all those in favor of the minutes being correct, please say aye. Aye. Any opposed? There are none. Minutes carried. We will now proceed into old business. Davidson Engineering preliminary plat for B.